What's going on, family? What's going on? Black Feniks checking in. Just wanted to come to you real quick and talk to you about something, man, that was on my heart. Actually, you know how a person people will do things to you, and they will claim that, oh, that person, oh, they didn't do that, but who they are changed. Like, they ain't the same as they was. Like, they was greeting you and smiling, hey, 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 and then now when you come around, they can't hold eye contact and they don't talk to you like they used to. So it's evident that something happened, something changed. It ain't the same no more. So, I learned that the proof is in the pudding, so to speak, as the old folks say. If you didn't do nothing to if you didn't do nothing to offend me, if you didn't do nothing to wrong me, if all of your intentions was good, then why did your demeanor change? Why did you stop being how you was? Because you feel guilty about something. That's just the truth, and we don't want to face the fact that that's the truth, but that's the truth, man. I mean, people demeanors, people actions, the way that they carry themselves would change once they do something to wrong you. It's evident. So don't get caught up listening to a person's words, because they can greet you with some kind words and they can say some things that you be like, well, maybe it wasn't them that did that. But the truth is, those was words on paper. They couldn't even confront you eye to eye. But when they are around you eye to eye, they can't hold the contact. And why is that? Because secretly, they know they did something to cross you. They know they got blood on their hands. They know they ain't innocent. You know what I mean? So don't get caught up with what someone say with their mouths. Actions speak louder than words. I'm caught up on actions. I'm about actions. Good rising, sir. Good rising. I'm caught up on actions, man. So, actions will always speak louder than words. So if you for me, you for me. If you're not, you're not. If you hate me, you hate me. You know what I mean? It's just what it is. Like, ain't no reason to call it something it's not, by no means. So I feel like the reality of the matter is, we just have to try the spirit, so to speak. Test things for what they are, man. Don't let someone deceive you into thinking that they on your side and they're really not. You waste a lot of time. Like, there's a lot of headaches, and there's no reason to blow up. I think if you blow up, you're just wasting time. Sometimes when people reveal themselves, just let them reveal themselves. Let them reveal themselves, and you say, oh, okay. But let it be known that you know what happened. Good rising, brother. Good rising. So let them know that you know what happened. Like, yeah, I know that you know that I know. You know what I mean? But it's just funny how, people are very two-faced, man, and people don't mean what they say. And, that's why I drop my organic content the way I do, because I ain't got nothing to hide. And I mean everything that I stand on. And I stand on something that I don't have no problem with not biting my tongue or saying how I feel about something, because if I feel a certain way about it, that's just how I feel. You know what I mean? So, I feel like you should let a person know. Once they do that, let them know. You ain't got to be mean, but just let them know, hey, I know what you did. It's all good. And you know what? And kill them with kindness. You know what I mean? Kill them with kindness, man. Still, you don't have to network with them. Just let them know that, hey, I know. And the crazy part about it, they can't even be around you, man. It eats them up. You know how they say, if you when you do good to someone who did you bad, it's like pouring coals, like hot coals on their head. You know what I mean? Like it mess them up, bro. They don't know how to take that. A container barbershop, yeah. Actually, I haven't built a container barbershop, but I can. I have built things that resembled one. The container barbershop is actually, man, that's a great idea, especially if you're independent, man. Man, if you're doing anything independent, nails, hair, braiding, clothing, small car lot, and you got a little lot somewhere and you want to put a container, man, all of those are great ideas for a container business because you can make it modern, nice, and you can kill several birds in one stone with it. So I think it's good. But I'm good, bro. I'm good. I appreciate y'all from checking in with me. But let me let y'all go, man. I just want to talk to y'all about that. Hold on.